Good morning, Tube. Welcome back to another daily edition of Big Al's Barber Vlogs. Today is Monday, guys. Dodgers lost last night. World Series is over. We blew it again, 2 years in a row. So just want to throw my 2 cents about that. You know, disappointed. Honestly, you can't. Boston was a better team. They all played us. They all hit us. They got the base hits when they needed them. Those 2-out base hits all the time. They killed us, So it is what it is, guys. It's only sports. So, damn, I'm out of baseball team. I'm out of football team. We're hurting right now. But, you know what? The grind continues, guys. The grind continues. You know what? This is what it's all about. Some days you wake up and you're having a shitty-ass morning, and, the grind continues. You got to get up, put on your little happy face, and get out there and do what you got to do. And that's what I do. You know what I mean? Not let nobody drag me down. It is what it is. You go back out there and you just keep grinding and keep grinding and keep grinding until you polish up that diamond. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to shop right now. Headed over there right now. Today's Monday, so today is just me and my brother supposed to be working. So we'll see how that works out. So I'm headed over there right now. It's only 8:20 right now. We open at 9, but I'm going to get a little early morning start. Today's Monday, so today is the day that I do my cleaning at the shop. So I got to mop, mirrors, the whole works today. So I got to either do it through while I'm working, or I got to stay at the end and do it. So usually Mondays aren't that crazy busy, so I'll have a chance to do it throughout the day. But another thing, Mondays at my shop are hit or miss. Some days it's sick-ass busy, and some days it's not. So last Monday wasn't too crazy, so today might be a crazy Monday. We'll see how it goes. So I'm headed over there right now. Get started on this day. You guys have a blessed day and grind on, guys. Don't let nothing drag you down. See you guys in a little while. Pretty slow at the shop today, but got all my cleaning done already, which is a good thing. J-Lo showed up. She's working with me today till 1 o'clock, helping me out a little bit. She's gonna start working Mondays with me from now on until Raul gets his apprentice license comes in. We're just waiting on his license to come in so he can start working full time. So in the meantime, I'm gonna have J-Lo come in with me on Mondays. starting next Monday. So heading back to the shop, gonna get some lunch. Today's been it's been a sleep. I mean, I've done a couple of haircuts. J-Lo's done a couple of haircuts. Ron's done one haircut. So it's just it's not that busy today. So I got my cleaning all done. Gonna go back, finish up this day. You know, guys, Mondays are sometimes hit or miss. You know, it's not always guaranteed, especially in this business. And, you know, that's why now I'm doing a book. I'm just trying to get my book full, you know, all the time so that I'm always busy. But, you know, in this business, it's always like this, especially when you're accustomed to doing walk-ins. When you're accustomed to doing walk-ins, I mean, 1 minute it might be busy and the next minute it is busy. So you never know. You just got to be there, put your time in, get your customers knowing. Right now, this is the good thing about having my app. Right now, I'm going to send out a push notification letting customers know that we are open for business. And let them know that J-Lo's working, so in case they want to come by and get a haircut from her, you know. So that's another good thing about my app. So I'm going to head back to the shop, get back to work, and let's see what this day brings us. Grind on, people. I hope you guys are working already. Well, guys, that's it for today. Another day is over. Another week is over. This week is very, very productive. It was a 6-day week for me. I started last Wednesday. Wednesday through Monday was 6 days. So tomorrow's my day off. I have tomorrow and Wednesday, hopefully, if things work out. You know how that goes. But, you know, we've been blessed here. We've been super, super busy. This weekend was incredibly busy. Appointments are going good. I mean, they're going a little slower than I thought they were going. I thought I was going to have more, but it's all right. You know, it's a process. It's a learning process. So it's going good. And then basically, I barely have my app all set up. I've been setting it up for a little while, but I barely got it going the proper way. If you guys want to go on it, check it out. Download it from Big Al's Barbershop on your Play Store or your iTunes store. And download it, check it out, see what you guys think. Look at my appointment book and click on my barbers and see that each barber is listed individually and it sends them to their own personal book, which is a good thing, you know. So it's going good, guys. This week was very, very productive. Today was a special kind of day because today my baby girl came back to work. She tried it out for today for a few hours. She came in from 9 to 1. It was nice. You know, she made a little bit of money and she got her hands dirty. If you guys saw my Instagram, I posted a picture of one of her haircuts today. So, you know, hey, coming from a dad, it's a dad proud moment. You know, it's good when your little girl goes and, you know, she's making you grandbabies and then she comes back to work and, you know, she still puts it down. And you know, she's a great barber. I think she's one of those kind of barbers that are special in the industry. She's passionate. She loves what she does. And you know, that's my little girl. I'm proud of her. So with that being said, guys, this week is over. Come back on Thursday. Thursday's another day, and then we'll start it all up again. If you guys have any questions, any concerns, anything you guys want me to talk about, let me know, and we'll get right back on it. I feel like our channel's been sitting a little idle, guys. I need a little communication here. What do you guys need me to talk about? What do you guys want me to talk about? I'm posting haircuts. And I haven't done any tutorials lately. Sorry, I've been super busy, but I'm going to get back on the tutorials. I'm going to schedule a couple this week so that we can get a couple of tapers in there, and we'll roll from there. But with that being said, guys, grind on. Hey, if you guys aren't working on Mondays, guys, you guys should be working on Mondays. Mondays is a very, very busy barber day. I don't understand why barbers close on Mondays. I made $200 today. What can you make $200 on a Monday? You know, come on, guys. Get it together. Get it together. That's me personally, all right? So, with that being said, you guys have a great evening and great weekend. It's my weekend. I know it's your Monday, but it's my weekend. With that being said, you guys have a good weekend and have a good weekend. Bye.